Hello everyone, Tyler Robertson here with Diesel Laptops, and I want to talk to you something today that may come up new for a lot of people. And this has to do with 2018 and new Fiat Chrysler, right? Who's Fiat Chrysler? Well, they own Dodge. So what happened here in model 2018 and newer, when you try to do certain commands or certain advanced things, you'll see these things asking about field tests and authentication diagnostics, and you click the yes button there, and that'll ask for a username and password and give you a link. So what's going on here is really kind of unfortunate, but what it is you need to be, the tool manufacturer needs to be authorized by Chrysler in order to do those commands. And the great news is, on Chrysler's website, you will see a list of all the tools that are authorized to do this. And at the bottom down here, you will see Texa is authorized to allow you to do these advanced commands on Dodge and Chrysler vehicles. And these are just the different physical boxes. And don't worry, if you have a Texa box, it's authorized to do. So I'm going to show you a couple quick tips and tricks on what you have to do. So I'm going to log out so we can just walk through this very quickly. So if you've never done this before, go to the website, right up here's the URL, go here, and I want you to register for an account. And you need to accept these guidelines that are in here. Select, accept, and continue registration. And when you get to this page, fill in all this stuff up here yourself. When you get down here, again, put your company name in here. And for this VAT number, this is a tax number typically used by non-North American companies. Just put in all nines or all zeros or whatever you want. I did all zeros and it went through just fine. And you can't change the currency. It's stuck in euro. And then you hit accept. And what will happen is you'll get an email to verify, and it'll give you your password and all that stuff. But for now, I'm going to cancel the registration process here because I want to show you what you do. Once you get that email, go to login. And your password won't work at first. You need to do forgot password and reset your password to your what you want it to be, not the default one they give you. And once you're in there, we're just simply going to sign in. So I just use my password manager to sign myself in there. And now once you're in here, what you need to do is you need to go here to your account and you need to go to your subscriptions and you need to go to purchase new subscription. All right? For most things, this is all you'll need to do is this generic diagnostic tool. You would click in here and you'd either buy a 1-day pass, a 1-month pass, or a 1-year pass. And you can even see the year pass isn't bad. It's $100. However, when you do start to do some of the commands, you may need to buy an ECU pack. And you can either buy a transaction where you can just simply put your VIN in here and it'll tell you what your how much they cost. And that allows you to do basically one event at a time. Or you can do it by time where it's unlimited events. So you can say, I want to work on everything for 1 hour and it's €3, which is close to the American dollar. $500 for a year. A 1-day pass is $12.50. 1 month is $50. So it's not super expensive, but it is what it is. So otherwise, again, very simple. If you run across this, simply go to the website that it lists in this next box here, click it, register. It's the site I was just on. Buy your subscription and you'll be able to do what you need to do. And again, only a handful of tools that are even allowed to do this kind of functionality. Texa is one of them. They went through a whole certification process. So hopefully that answers your questions. If you need help, you can always call our technical support department. Simply it's 888-983-1975 or just go to diesellaptops.com. We are here to help you guys. Thank you for watching.